This video will explain a logical function of the Microsoft Excel 365 version of 2022 called IFS. Pay your attention while watching this video to understand the process better. Let's begin. IFS is a fantastic feature in Excel 365 version 2022. When you evaluate your data against specified criteria, there is typically more than one possible outcome, rather than just a true or false number. The IFS function determines whether your data meets one or more criteria and returns a result. A value represents the first actual condition. You'd have to develop a nested if function in prior Excel versions. However, you can use the IFS function with Excel 365 version 2022. Function. It is part of the logical function category and has the following syntax. Equals ifs, open parenthesis, logical test 1, comma, value if true 1, comma, logical test 2, comma, value if true, close parenthesis. Or ifs, open parenthesis, logical test 1, comma, value if true 1, comma, logical test 2, comma, value if true, close parenthesis. Using the ifs function. Number 1. In the formula bar, type equals ifs, open parenthesis, followed by your query and a comma. 2. If the answer to your query is a yes, enter the desired outcome, followed by a comma. 3. After a comma, type your next question. 4. If the answer to your second question is yes, enter the desired result. 5. Keep going until you've entered all your queries and desired outcomes. Six. Select Enter after closing the formula with a closing parenthesis. In the same way, you can use one of these methods that I will explain further to enter a value if you utilize the other functions. 8. Go to the Formulas tab, then to the Logical category, then IFS. 8. Select Insert Function from the Formulas tab. Or press the Insert Function button adjacent to the formula bar. 9. Type ifs into the search box and then press Enter or Go. Alternately, modify the category to logical from most recently used. 10. From the list of functions, pick ifs and then press OK. The dialog window for function arguments appears. 11. As you type in your logical tests and the values you desire, if the result is correct, Excel prompts you to add more questions. And finally, to complete the function, select OK or Enter. This was all from my side to guide you about Microsoft Excel's built-in ifs function. Have you found this video helpful? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable and fact-based videos.